Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Please join your hands and close
Good
your
afternoon,
eyes.
ma'am.
Oh Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and dear ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, all of you. So we will continue the exercise in the workbook. So please take a workbook, page number 8.
Ma'am, I take it.
Ma'am, I took. Mr. Bell, ma'am, I took. Please take a page number 8. And we have question number 11. Question number 11. I'm going to share the screen. Please be quiet. Ma'am will call out the name and they will give me the answer. So let me share the screen. You can see the same page on the screen also, and we have to start number 11. And Eric Saji, please unmute and read number 11, question number 11. Others, please be quiet. Eric Saji, please start. Question number 11. C-O-L-O-U-R.
Brown, green.
See, question number 11, page number 8.
Color.
Ah, yes. Continue. Color.
Color.
Ah,
The
ah. T-E-D-D-Y. Teddy. Ah. B-E-A-R-S. Teddy bears.
teddy bear.
T-O. Two.
Two.
C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E.
Completed.
Very good. Complete the P-A-T-T-E-R-N. Pattern.
Pattern.
So color the teddy bears to complete the pattern. And you can see different teddy bears. And what's the color of the first one?
Color.
Brown, green.
Brown, green, brown, green. What about the next?
Brown.
So after the brown, we have to give which color?
Green.
Okay, so alternate, we can give brown and green. So all of you please do coloring. Please mute your device. Those who have completed, please be quiet. Those who have not completed, please color it. Shall we move to question number 12? Aiden, please unmute Aiden. And read the question number 12. Question number 12.
Color the flowers to completed
Complete
the pattern.
color the flowers to complete the pattern. And we can see the flowers. What's the color of the first one?
Blue,
Blue. Then we have
red,
red. Again,
blue,
then we have.
red,
So what about the next one? Which color we have to give?
blue,
Okay. After that,
red,
okay. Then we have.
blue.
Okay. So please do it.
കുറച്ച് അരി എടുത്തു.
Shall we move to question number 13?
Yes.
Question number 13 we have. Mr. Maria, please unmute and read the question. Question number 13.
The
Question number 13. COMPLETE.
complete.
Continue. Complete the
The
GIVEN.
pattern.
Given pattern. BY.
Given pattern
Mahadev said properly. By
by
DRAWING. Drawing
drawing
and
and
coloring
coloring.
the
The
next TWO
two
to sheets. Okay. Complete the given pattern by drawing and coloring the next two shapes. So one pattern is already given here. So we have to understand the pattern and we have to draw the next two shapes. And look at the pattern. Nesta, please unmute and read the pattern once again.
circle, circle, rectangle, circle, square, circle, rectangle, circle.
Okay, now look at the pattern carefully. Here we can see circle, rectangle, circle, square, circle, rectangle. That means the first four shapes, circle, rectangle, circle, square. These four shapes are repeating again. So let us see the first one, circle. So the circle is repeating. Then rectangle, this repeating. Again, circle. So what is the next shape? What will come the next?
Square.
Square. So we can draw the square. Then after the square we have, it's repeating again the four
Circle.
shapes. Circle. So draw the
Circle.
square and draw the circle. Now what is the color of the square?
Orange.
Square, what's the color?
Orange.
Is it orange or red?
Red.
Red. What about the circle?
Green.
Green. So draw the square and color it as red. Draw the circle and color it as green. If you have completed, please take page number 9. Page number 9. Mahadev, sit properly. You are in the class. Page number 9, question number 14. Adya Rahul, please unmute and read the question. Question number 14.
Draw the next four shapes of the given pattern.
Okay. Draw the next four shapes of the given pattern. And we have to draw four shapes, coming four shapes. So look at the pattern. Read the pattern. You can see first of all the upside down triangle. Then we have
Upside down
square. Okay, upside down triangle, square, normal triangle. Then again we can see the upside down triangle. That means the first three shapes are repeating. Okay, so let us see here. The first one is upside down triangle. So it's repeating. Then what will come next? What about this? Square. So we can draw the square. Now after the square we have normal triangle. Okay, good. Normal triangle. Okay, so it's repeated. Second time repeated. Then again we have to draw four shapes. So what will come next? Starting with the first one. So what will come next? Upside down triangle. Okay, after the upside down triangle we have after the upside down triangle we have square. So we draw four shapes. So we can see square, normal triangle, upside down triangle, square. Okay, Adya, good. So all of you please draw. No need to color it. You can just draw the shapes. Square, triangle, upside down triangle, square. Mahadev, did you draw? Please show me the workbook. Show me the workbook.
Ma'am.
Okay, good. Now it's your turn to read the next question. Okay, question number 15. Mahadev, please unmute and read the question. D-R-A-W. What is that? D-R-A-W. How we will pronounce it? Draw.
Draw
T-H-E.
the
Draw the shape. T-H-A-T. That.
that
C-O-M-E-S. Comes.
comes
N-E-X-T.
next.
Next. Draw the shape that comes next. Okay, so you can see a pattern. We have to draw the next shape. So we have to understand the pattern first. Read the pattern. What you can see in the pattern, Mahadev? What you can see? It's clear to you, no? It's a smiley, happy face. You can see. Yes or no?
Smiling. First one is smiling. അല്ലേ?
Happy face. You can see the first one, happy face. Then the second one, it's a neutral one. That means it's not happy, it's not sad. It's a neutral one. Then you can see the sad face. Mahadev, sit properly. Sad face. Okay. What about the next one? What is the next one? What is the what you can see?
Face.
You can see the happy face. After the happy face, again you can see the neutral face. That means not sad, not happy. Then you can see the sad face. So you can see the first three shapes are repeating. Okay, so what will come next, Mahadev? Which one will come? Is it happy or neutral or sad?
Neutral.
It will come neutral. See, happy face, neutral face, sad face. Happy face, neutral face, sad face. So what about the next?
Happy face.
Happy face. So we can draw the happy face. The first one. So all of you please draw the happy face. Draw, Mahadev. I didn't see. Where is the pencil?
ഇത് വരയ്ക്ക് ഇതേപോലെ
Tomorrow onwards you sit alone. Okay.
അടിയിലാണോ?
Next എന്താ? Neutral space. Then sad space.
You can see in the pattern, first one is a happy face, second one is a neutral one, third one is a sad one. So the first three faces are repeating. Again, happy face, neutral face, sad face. So after the sad face, we have to start the first one. That means happy face. So all of you should draw the happy face. If you have completed, you can take next page, page number 10. Page number 10. Shall we move to page number 10? Srihari,
Yes.
please read the question number 16, page number 10. Circle the picture that comes next. Circle the picture that comes next. You can see the pictures in a particular order. That means it's a pattern. Okay. So next picture we have to circle it. It's already given the options. We have to circle it. Now look at the first one. You can see an astronaut. Astronaut means one who is going to space. Astronaut, then you can see a vehicle using for going to space. That means spacecraft. Astronaut, spacecraft, astronaut, spacecraft, astronaut. So after the astronaut, which will come? Is it astronaut or spacecraft?
Spacecraft.
Very good. So we can circle the spacecraft. All of you please circle the spacecraft. Drisha, please unmute. It's already unmute. So please read the second one. Next one. Read the pattern.
Square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle.
Okay, here we can see square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle. So 3 shapes are repeating, and you have to tell me what will come next, which shape will come next. So it's given here triangle, square, circle. Which shape will come next?
Square.
Very good. So you can circle the shape square. So all of you please circle the shape square. Then question number 17. Isra Francis, please unmute and read the question. Question number 17.
Question number 17.
Okay.
Continue
Very
the
good.
patterns.
Pattern. No, yes.
Pattern.
Pattern. By coloring
By coloring
the
correct
CORRECT. Correct.
coloring
BOXES. Boxes. Continue the pattern by coloring the correct boxes.
boxes.
Okay, you can see the numbers from 1 to 30, and some numbers are also colored ones. So some numbers are colored, remaining we have to do. Now let us see the numbers. We can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. The number 5 is colored. 6, 7, 8, 9. The number 10 is colored. 11, 12, 13, 14. 15 is colored. Okay, only 3 numbers are colored. Let remaining we have to find out which one we have to do it. Here we can see the multiples of 5. That means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. They are multiples of 5. Or we can say we are leaving 4 numbers and the 5th number is colored. So leave the 4 numbers, then the 5th number we have to color it. Anyway, we can tell. So here we can see the number 15. After that, we have to leave 4 numbers. 16, 17, 18, 19. Which is the next number, Isra? After 19, we have 20. So we have to color the number 20. So all of you please color the number 20. Now let us see the next 4 numbers. So we have to leave 4 numbers. 21, 22, 23, 24. So we leave 4 numbers. What is the next number?
25.
Very good. So we have to color the number 25. Now again we can leave the 4 numbers. The 4 numbers are 26, 27, 28, 29. So we leave the 4 numbers. Which is the next number?
13.
30. Not a 13, 30. So we can color the number 30. So 30 we have to color it. So all of you please color the numbers 20, 25 and 30. They are multiples of 5, or we can say skip counting in 4s. That we will study later. Now, Alankrita, please unmute Alankrita. We can see question number 18. Question number 18. Shall we move to question number 18, Alankrita?
Yes.
Okay. So please read the question. COMPLETE. Complete the GIVEN. Given.
Pattern.
Very good. Patterns. Complete the given patterns. You can see a train having bogies, and on the bogies we can see the numbers. Some numbers are missing here that we have to write. And which is the first one? Read the number pattern. A. Read the number pattern.
19.
Continue. 19.
18. 17.
Then we can see dash. Then the next number. Okay, again we can see the dash. Okay, so the numbers are in backward counting. Backward counting. So here we can see 19, 18, 17. So what is the next number, Alangrida?
16.
Very good. So we can write the number 16 here. Then after 16 we have 15. So 15 is already written there. So what about the next number after 15 we have in backward counting? After
14.
14. It's 14. So the numbers are in backward counting. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. It will continue like that. Okay. Srisham, please unmute. Srisham, please unmute and read the next one. B.
3,
Okay.
5,
7.
7, dash,
Ah.
11, dash,
See, 3, 5,
5,
7.
7,
So we can write the numbers. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It will continue like that. Now let's look at the numbers. Here we can start with the number 3. So number 3. Then we can see number 5. Number 5. Then we can see number 7. So number 7. So here we can see the alternate numbers. That means 3, 4 is not there. 5, 6 is not there. 7. So what will be next number? Is it 8 or 9, Srisham?
9,
9. Very good. So you can write the number 9 here. 8 is not there. 9. The next number. Is it a 10 or 11, Srisham?
11,
11. It's already there. Okay. It's already there. No need to write. Then is it 12 or 13?
30,
Very good. So we leave the number 12 and we have to write the number 13. 1, 3, 13. Good boy. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Then we have 15. It will continue like that. So completed, everyone?
yes, yes,
Okay. Now please listen here.
yes,
Please listen here. We have some practice questions in the next page that I'm giving to you. That means that you can practice at home. Okay, you find out the answers. And these questions we will do during the revision time. Near the exam time, we have revision. That time we will do it, practice questions. You can do by yourself. It's very simple also. Okay. And let me ask you one more thing. Is there any doubt in this chapter? I should repeat any of the topic once again.
no, ma'am,
No. Is it clear to you all?
no,
Is it clear to you all?
no, yes,
Okay. Now, so tomorrow we will continue the new chapter, the third chapter, numbers. Okay. And what about the activity? Everyone completed the activity which you have to show tomorrow?
yes,
Okay,
yes,
good.
ma'am.
Okay, good. So tomorrow during the online class itself, I will check it. And one more thing, those who didn't complete, please do today itself and bring tomorrow. Okay. Now, just we can revise this chapter once again. We can tell its important points. And in this chapter, we discuss pattern. Who will tell me what's the definition for pattern? Aida is ready. Aida, what is a pattern?
Repetition of basic shape.
Aida?
Basic shape.
Not simply basic shapes. We are repeating the basic shapes. Okay.
Yes.
We can say repetition of
Basic
basic
shape
shape.
called
Repetition of basic shape.
repetition of basic shapes.
Repetition of basic shapes. We call it as pattern. We will repeat the shapes in a particular order. There is an order. Sometimes a shape or a group of shapes. Okay, sometimes only one or many shapes in a particular order. Then we get the pattern. Now I'm going to share the screen once again. Please listen here. I'm going to write some patterns. Please tell me the answer. Okay, you have to complete the pattern. No need to write in the notebook. Please listen to ma'am. That's enough. Okay, just we can revise it once again. Okay, then let me ask Swatik. Swatik, please listen here. Please tell me the answer. I wrote one pattern here. You have to complete it. Okay, read the pattern and complete it. Satvik, please unmute. Here you can see triangles, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So what will come next? Satvik?
Circle.
Very good. Here will come circle. And what about the next?
Triangle.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now let us see another one. Very simple number pattern. Aldrich, unmute and tell me what will come next. 1, 2, 3, 4. What will come next, my dear?
5, 6.
Very good. Here will come 5. Here will come 6. Very good. Good boy. Now let us see another one. Arifa, Mariam, please unmute and tell me the next one. You can see a flower and leaf. What about the next?
Leaf.
You can see the leaf at the last. So what will come next?
Flower.
Flower, a leaf,
Flower.
flower, leaf. What about the next?
Flower.
Very good. It will come flower. After the flower, we have
Leaf, ma'am. Leaf.
What about-
Leaf.
leaf. Okay, it will come leaf. Now let us see another one. You can see arrows here, no? Arrows, up arrow, down arrow, up arrow, down arrow. So let me ask you, Iza, Mariam, what about the next? What will come next?
Up arrow.
Very
Down
good.
arrow.
Down arrow. Good girl. Good girl. Now we can see another one. Asiya, please unmute and tell me what about the next? You can see 1 dot, then 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot. What about the next, Asiya?
5 dot. 5 dot.
We have to draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about the next?
6 dot. 6.
We have to draw 6. Okay. So let us wind up the session. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So thank you for joining. See you in the next
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.